So hello everyone, this is Keerthan here. So I've been asked with this question from the community saying that, sir, what to do when it comes to creating a parents alignment, and what is that we need to do when parents doesn't support us? Like, is there any way that we can actually do? So literally here are the three reasons why there will be a challenge specifically. Number one is inability to communicate your perspective, or they are not able to understand what you are communicating. So communicate really well. So that itself plays a very, very important role. And how you communicate, in what context you communicate, plays a very important role. So maybe there is a challenge with that. Or second one is maybe problem with you, right? So problem with you in terms of you not having certain results what they want, right? So because of that you are not getting the support what you want. Right? Third reason could be problems really with them. They might be having some financial challenge, they might be having some health challenge, they might be having some physical challenge, or family pressure, or work pressure, or there could be a number of problems that your parents might be going through. So this is the main three reasons why you may not be getting the support that what you want. It's perspective, your ability to communicate is not happening. Second one is problems with you not having enough results what they want. And third thing is that they having, your parents having the problems. And here are my 5 ideas that I have for you, which you can do in order to improve your alignment with your parents. Number one is that, so see if you can communicate what you want to communicate with the people who are dear and near to you and your parents. Maybe if they communicate, they might say yes. That's one thing that what you can actually do. Second one is definitely increase your results, increase your PPR, past proven results. So that's definitely is going to help you a lot. And the third idea that what I would suggest you is invest into the relationship. Think about it, like if when you were very young, you really wanted something, you really did whatever it takes, right? So come with that particular attitude, invest your relationship. The fourth one is do the good deed deposits with your parents, right? Even with they say, right, with the devotion even God melts, right? How about your parents, right? So be devoted to your parents. See what is that best thing that what you can do to actually be with them, support them, create more possibilities with them. And here is the fifth and the last idea that what you can actually do out is really understand them from the core, right? So is it something that which you really want? Communicate from the heart, right? And that is where you can see how is that you can improvise the kind of alignment that what you have with your parents and the kind of support that what you want. I hope that this served you. Look forward to see you in the next video.